Hey, there you are. Hey, I'm glad you kept watching. Sorry I didn't notice you.
Oh, mighty meteorites, there you are. I'm so glad I got to see you before I went to bed. I'm so tired, but I just can't.
Oh, hi. Hey, there you are. Hey, I'm glad you kept watching. Sorry I didn't notice you at first. It's just, I was thinking about the stove. You know, I really learned something neat about Stu today. You know, when the kite got broken, I just thought Stu must have done it. But Stu didn't. It must feel awful to always be blamed when things go wrong. I wonder if you ever feel like that. You know what? I learned a lot about forgiveness. Stu forgave me for thinking about him like that. And I forgave Stu. You know what? Here's a verse from the Bible that I'd like you to learn. It says, forgive, and you will be forgiven. That's what God did. That's what I learned. See you later, alligator.
Oh, mighty meteorites, there you are. I'm so glad I got to see you before I went to bed. I'm so tired, but I just can't get to sleep. Is it ever hard for you to go to sleep? Do you have any ways you get ready for a good night's rest? My friends sure do, and today they're going to show me how they get ready for bed. Would you like to join us? Maybe you can help me too. Come on, the fun's just about to start.
Oh, hi. Hey, there you are. Hey, I'm glad you kept watching. Sorry I didn't notice you at first. Just, I was thinking about Stu. You know what? I really learned something neat about Stu today. You know, when the kite got broken, I just thought Stu must have done it. But Stu didn't. It must feel awful to always be blamed when things go wrong. I wonder if you ever thought. You know what? I learned a lot about forgiveness. Stu forgave me for thinking about him like that, and I forgave Stu. Yeah. Well, you know what? Here's a verse from the Bible that I'd like you to learn. It says, forgive, and you will be forgiven. That's what God did. That's what I learned. See you later, alligator.
Oh, mighty meteorites, there you are. I'm so glad I got to see you before I went to bed. I'm so tired, but I just can't get to sleep. Is it ever hard for you to go to sleep? Do you have any ways you get ready for a good night's rest? My friends sure do, and today they're going to show me how they get ready for bed. Would you like to join us? Maybe you can help me too. Come on, the fun's just about to start.
Hi. Hey, there you are. Hey, I'm glad you kept watching. Sorry I didn't notice you at first. Just, I was thinking about Stu. You know, I really learned something neat about Stu today. You know, when the kite got broken, I just thought Stu must have done it. But Stu didn't. It must feel awful to always be blamed when things go wrong. I wonder if you ever felt like that. I learned a lot about forgiveness. Stu forgave me for thinking about him like that, and I forgave Stu. You know what? Here's a verse from the Bible that I'd like you to learn. It says, forgive, and you will be forgiven. That's what God does. That's what I learned. See you later, alligator.
Oh, mighty meteorites, there you are. I'm so glad I got to see you before I went to bed. I'm so tired, but I just can't get to sleep. Is it ever hard for you to go to sleep? Do you have any ways you get ready for a good night's rest? My friends sure do, and today they're going to show me how they get ready for bed. Would you like to join us? Maybe you can help me too. Come on, the fun's just about to start.
Oh, my. Hey, there you are. Hey, I'm glad you kept watching. Sorry I didn't catch you at first. It's just, I was thinking about Stu. You know, I really learned something neat about Stu.
This little guy changed his tire, would all of a sudden roll down the hill.
What a relief! I was on the floor there doing my push-up. Bam! Everything went dark and I was squashed by that. What do I care? I spent the whole day under that thing. Something dumb, I said. What do you mean, all right? Look at the mess we were in just because of him. He saved our lives and helped us find the bed.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Click here to see more cool stuff from Dude Perfect and NBC Sports at the Super Bowl. Thanks for...
Gosh, I'm kind of thirsty. How about you? Gosh, I'm kind of thirsty. How about you?
A bug. Wade, you sissy! You shouldn't be afraid of...
The fearless warrior couldn't make it today, so I came and...